kamusta? Bago kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, ng Warren Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw may invite na kami na naman po Kenny pong Best Western Metro Clark, which is actually po ni Kenny Balibago, Angeles City. So, may invite kami particularly for Namari. It's a Japanese bistro. Ngayon pala for the month of March, every Fridays and Saturdays, starting 6 p.m., doon yung gagawin na kayong gulot mo. Alright, so it's an outdoor ramen
bar.
Grabe, so excited kami po kasi syempre, it's a Japanese cuisine.
Yes.
Lalong-lalo na yung ramen, manyaman na rin. So,
Lalo na kayong maraming panahon.
woo! So, ito po, abayan nyo kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ito guys, sabi ko kitang introduction ni Nandun. At yung kami ngayon ni Kenny Balibago, particularly Kenny MacArthur Highway na. So, every 6 p.m. na ning Fridays and Saturdays, convert day ni parking lot ay ni into a ramen bar. Outdoor style. So, people are now starting to come. If you wanna, taste Japanese ramen, Kenny Angeles City, it's another option for you to try out. So tune ing pamangan tamo kin table tamo. So nanong panggawon tamo, grabe maranop na ako. Tsaka mamusit la rin pamangan kini sa tamanda na lang. So pisabihan dala rin kay chukin table tamo. Tamo pin kayong dalan
Siping dalan.
Tamo kay ni MacArthur Highway. Pero different kind of ambience king restaurant. Meaning Izakaya is an extension
Ning Namari.
ning Namari Japanese Bistro. So kita bulidang pakilala kaya katamo na abot kaya yan mga yan. King table tamo guys, atin tamong rice bowls, atin tamong man of course ramen. Dinanda kayong idea, king karelang ramen guys. There are 3 kinds of ramen. So miso, tonkatsu, ampong shoyu ramen. Everything is 190 pesos. Grabe. So atin mo naman dumplings, ating donburi, sushi and sashimi, ampong kushiyaki. Anyway, so what's important is syempre itong taste testing yan guys. Kumpisan tayo So tinta mo munang kaya pala kayo ni chicken feet guys. Check that out. Actually mo naman kailangan chopsticks kayo gamatan mo na yan.
Kako meto ka rin kayo ramen daw.
So abe tayo Ma'am Ruth. Siya yung nag-invite kaya katamo kayo ni. Dahil kasalamat kayo pa mag-invite Ma'am Ruth. So first time in
First time.
So nani concept na ning Izakaya?
More on the drink after work, makita. So wala mo siya after work and all. Ito lang pwedeng puntalan. During weekends, Friday and Saturday, that's the concept. Yung Japan, di ba? More on work la. Tapos after the work, ito lang drinking session.
Mostly ma'am, nanong suserve da kayo ni?
We have ramen, donburi, sushi rolls, sashimi, mga rolls, sashimi rolls.
And abalo ko muna din ma'am, bala mo in somewhat extension na ning Namari.
Yeah, Izakaya by Namari Japanese Bistro.
It's a way of having Namari tasted para kang everyone.
Everyone. Wow.
Diba? Wow. Okay. So, kini ma'am, nano buri mo? Nano usually yung kain mo?
Gyudon. It's a donburi. Rice toppings.
Rice toppings.
Beef plain gyudon with egg. Mangan.
Makanta na! So yung concept dapat kayo ni guys, since bala mo extension na ning Namari at suya kayong parking lot na ning Best Western.
Saber or dating Saber Small.
Wow, itang dating Saber Small. So suya kayo ning parking lot na.
Katang harap.
The near future, bala mo tilang bakit kaya kami na din perspective. Bala mo, maglupay talagang Japanese bistro mo naman
More na Japanese street food stall.
There you go, there you go.
So watch out for
street food
that.
store. So that, guys, we're gonna continue eating and enjoying this. Magpasalamat kami kay Namari for inviting us. Ma'am Ruth, please invite them.
Invite na kayo kaning Izakaya by Namari. every Friday and Saturdays. Actually, ang gayang March,
Yes.
to promote it. Pero, mag-announce kami kay Facebook.
Extend yan, mga yan eh.
Extend
Wow,
yan.
wow, wow. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye! Tap me, ma'am. Tap me.